Hi guys, today we're gonna show you automatic chicken box. It was my idea and I done the design. And my brother
done the electronics and the program.
So how it works? The chicken came to the chicken box and switch on this. Then she gives an egg. Like this. And go out and switch. This puts the egg from the tunnel and now the egg came here. The car is moved for one place, so another egg will fall to this place. I can show you. So, step on, give an egg and get out. And voila! When you collect all the eggs, so when it's full, you should receive email notification with Cloudbet.
Doing the car move, one egg is one move, and if the eggs are 5 in one side, then turn to opposite side and do the same thing. This pick egg function waiting for in one to be on and waiting for Maki Maki, and then wait 2 seconds and do the same thing, but waits only 1 second and then do the egg sweeper. And the egg sweeper is this long function, and this function do the servo turns and sweep the egg to the tunnel and then to the car.
Bruh.